Hi students, good morning. Yesterday we started application of derivatives, right? So in that first topic is rate measure, okay no? Today also we have to discuss same thing. So in that yesterday 3 problems we completed, continue that. Read the question, what they given, what we have to prove and what we have to find. Volume of the cube is increasing at the rate of 8 centimeter cube per second, right? Suppose edge of the cube, if you take x, or side of the cube is x if you take, so volume of the cube is what? X cube. So volume of the cube is increasing at the rate of, means with respect to time it is increasing, means dV by dt equal to 3x square dx by dt, no? But here this value they given, dV by dt equal to 8 centimeter cube per second, right? Now this one 8 equal to 3 into edge value 12, so into 12 square into dx by dt. What they asking? How fast surface area increasing? How fast is the surface area increasing? Means from this one what we can find? Dx by dt, right? Now 8 by 3 into, so 12 into 12. So how much? So this is 2 times, it is 3 times, and it is 1, this is what? 6 times. That is equal to 1 by 54 dx by dt. Now our requirement is what? Surface area. Means here which area? Total surface area is there and lateral surface area not mentioned, means you consider it as what? Total surface area. Now what is the total surface area of the cube is what? 6, here x you taken, no? X square. Now differentiating, so this s I will take this as s if you take surface area, right? Now ds by dt, differentiating with respect to t, 12x into dx by dt, that is equal to 12 into, again x value, here x how much they given? 12 into, from this one dx by dt, 1 by 54, right? Here 9 6 times, 9 16 times 144, right? 8 by 3, this is surface area. Units, how to take units? Centimeter square per second, right? This is our final answer. So volume of the cube they given, once again see dV by dt given, that is equal to what? 8 centimeter cube per second. Then what they asking? How fast the surface area increasing, means ds by dt asking, when they asking x equal to 12, that's it. So from the given problem, what they given, first you find out that one. A stone is dropped into quiet lake, means waves are moving means which one is increasing by this one you can identify. Units, observe the units, what they given, centimeter per second, means what they given, d, suppose r is the radius of the circle, if you take dr by dt with respect to time, dr by dt, because a what, as radius increasing, area also will increase. Next, when radius of the circular wave is, means r equal to also 8 centimeters, and here dr by dt equal to 8 centimeter per second they given. Now finally what they asking, area of the circle, means dA by dt we have to find when r equal to 8. Understood or not? Now this A equal to pi r square. So differentiating with respect to t on both the sides, dA by dt equal to 2 pi r dr by dt, that is equal to 2 pi, r is 8, and dr by dt is what? Here dr by dt is 5, that is equal to 80 pi, units, centimeter square per second. Right? Once again listen. A stone is dropped into a quiet lake. Waves moves in a circle at the speed of, means 5 centimeter per second, means radius is increasing with respect to the time, means dr by dt 5 centimeter per second they given. When r equal to what? 8 centimeters. Then what they asking, that circle's area, that how the area of the circles increasing. As increases radius, area also will increase or not? That one asking. So area, how it is increasing? 80 pi centimeter per second. For every second, this much increasing like this. Our figure is what? Sphere. Volume is increasing. Find the rate at which volume is increasing. Means dV by dt equal to what? When, simple problem, when r equal to 10, r equal to 10 centimeters. Now what is the volume of this sphere? 4 by 3 pi r cube. Now here with respect to time or with respect to radius? With respect to, here see, balloon which always remains spherical has a variable radius, means only, so it is with respect to radius only increasing or not? So that's why dV by dr equal to 4 pi r square, that is equal to 4 pi r, that is equal to 400 pi. So what is the units? Centimeter square per centimeter. So that only no. Yesterday first problem we did as it is. Okay, no? Next. So here volume, no. So volume means what we have to write it as? Centimeter cube per centimeter. Surface area means centimeter square. Once you read the question, a ladder 5 centimeters, here 5 meters they given, long is leaning against the wall. The bottom of the ladder is pulled along the ground away from the wall. Next, at the rate of here 2 centimeters, in centimeters they given, 2 centimeters per second. How fast is its height of the wall decreasing? when the foot of the ladder is again here meters, in terms of meters given 4 meters away from the wall, means here also meters. So total, if you want to convert into centimeters, into 100 you do, then you will get. Once you read the question, a ladder is long against the, what the given means, leaning against the wall, means suppose if you take like this, five meters they given, right? The bottom of the ladder is pulled along the ground away from the wall, means the bottom of the ladder is what? Pulled along the what? Ground away from the what? This is wall, this is ground. Next what they given? How it is increasing at the rate of 2 centimeter per second, means if you pull the ladder along the ground away from the, away from the wall, how it is means suppose if you take it as x, this as y, what they given? Dx by dt given, because with respect to time it is increasing, because if you what pulled along the ground, it will increase and this will decrease, means x increasing, y is simultaneously decreasing. So that only asking how y is decreasing when the foot of the ladder is 4 meters away from the wall, means what they given, what we have to find, identify. So ladder is 5 meters, that is equal to 500 centimeters, better you take, right? Next dx by dt given, no? Dx by dt equal to, so where it is, this one, 2 centimeter per second, with respect to time it is decreasing. Then what they asking? Dy by dt asking, when they asking? When foot of the wall is away, means this one. When x equal to 4 meters, that is equal to 400 centimeters. How to find y value? Simple problem only. From the figure you can write x square plus y square equal to this y what 25 if you, in terms of meters if you take, and this x also what 4, 16 plus y square equal to 25, that implies y equal to 3 meters, that is equal to 300 centimeters. Again you take x square plus y square equal to 25, differentiating with respect to t on both the sides. 2x dx by dt plus 2y dy by dt equal to 0. 2 also cancel. Substitute the values. X is 400 plus into dx by dt also they given. Dx by dt is 2 in terms of centimeters if you take, plus y 300 into dy by dt equal to 0. So our requirement is dy by dt, that is equal to minus 8 by 3. What are the units? This is centimeter per second, means this is also centimeter per second. Means suppose the answer they given here, how fast height is height of the wall is decreasing. What is the answer? Tell me. 8 by 3 centimeter per second or minus 8 by 3 centimeters. How it is decreasing asking means 8 by 3. How it is decreasing? 8 by 3 centimeters per second it is decreasing, right? But it is not mentioning only dy by dx asking, means you can take maybe. Okay, no? So this is so important problem. So on ladder 5 meters they given. So if you pull this ladder along the ground, it will increase, this will simultaneously decrease. How it is increasing? This one they given. How it is decreasing? Asking. When they asking when this distance is, this length is x equal to what they given. So then by this calculation we got dy by dt, right? So what they given? A particle moves along the curve. So particle is moving along the curve 6y equal to x cube plus 2. Find the points on the curve at which y coordinate is changing as 8 times as x coordinate. First given curve is 6y equal to x cube plus 2, right? Now differentiating as with respect to time, if you take, even though you will get the answer, or without that one also you can do. But what they given, y coordinate is changing 8 times as the x coordinate. Suppose if you take, with respect to time, suppose if you consider what they given, dy by dt equal to 8 times of dx by dt. Can you write? So bring this side, what will get? Dy by dx equal to 8 or not? Means directly you can write this one also. So dy given, so what they given? Dy by dx equal to 8. Now what we have to do for finding the point on the curve? So then what they asking? Find a particle moves along the curve. Find the points on the curve when this condition they given. Means differentiating with respect to x on both the sides. 6 dy by dx equal to 3x square. Now dy by dx, this is 3, this is 2 times 2 into dy by dx 8 x square, x equal to plus or minus 4. Now first case, if x equal to 4, y equal to 6y equal to 4 cube, 64 plus 2. Now y equal to 11. So in this case point is 4 comma 11. In second case, if x equal to minus 4, 6y equal to minus 64 plus 2, that is equal to minus 62. Now y equal to minus 31 by 3. Now in this case point is minus 4 comma minus 31 by 3, correct? No? Right. Which always remains spherical, means here our figure is sphere, has a variable diameter. Earlier means previously what they given, radius given, here diameter given. Means 2r given, 2r equal to 3 by 2 2x plus 1. From this one r equal to 3 by 4 2x plus 1, right? Then what they asking, how the rate of change of volume, how it is increasing? Volume is increasing what? Rate of change of volume with respect to x only they asking. Clearly they mentioned with respect to x. Now what is the volume of the sphere? V equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. But here parameter is r. So here r equal to what? 3 by 4 2x plus 1. Substitute, that is equal to V equal to 4 by 3 pi, r is 3 by 4 2x plus 1 whole cube. Simplify, that is equal to 4 by 3 pi 27 by 64 into 2x plus 1 whole cube. Is there any cancel? Correct? No. This is 3, this is 9, 4, here 16, that is equal to 9 pi by 16 into 2x plus 1 whole cube. This is V. Now our requirement is dV by dx, differentiating with respect to x on both the sides. 9 pi by 16 into differentiation of 2x plus 1 whole cube, 3 into 2x plus 1 whole square into 2. Why 2? By the chain rule, differentiation of 2x plus 1 is 2. Now this is 2, 8. Now that is equal to 27 pi by 8, 2x plus 1 whole square. This is our required answer. Okay, no? Is 4 centimeters. What they given? First you identify that one. Okay, no? Sand is pouring from the pipe. This is important condition. But how it is pouring from the pipe at the rate of 12 centimeters per second. The falling sand forms a what? Cone. Means again here also one figure got, that is that sand. Means in this problem, what is our figure? Cone. So that pouring sand is forms a what? Cone. Means what they given? dV by dt, because it is decreasing from and here increasing here or not. Means that pouring sand is forming a cone. Means dV by dt equal to what they given? 12 centimeter cube per second they given. Right? This is given. Next. In such a way that here also once you observe, cone always 1/6 of the radius, the height of the cone is always 1/6 of the radius. Means also given h equal to 1/6 into what? R given. Next, how fast is the height of the sand is what? Increasing. Means dH by dt equal to what they asking. When we have to find when h equal to 4 centimeters, right? So here volume given, this relation given, and dH by dt. So sand is pouring from the pipe, and here one it forms a, the sand forms a cone. So this is H. How it is increasing asking. This is H. This is R. Right? Now, but we know that V equal to, what is the volume of the cone? 1/3 pi R square H. Differentiating, because with respect to time given, no? So dV by dt with respect to time. So pi by 3, before to that 1/3 pi, here we are doing the differentiating with respect to x. Better here this one you convert into single parameter. But R converting into H or H converting into R, what they asking? dH by dt. So the, suppose this expression in terms of H, then directly you will get what? dH by dt. So that's why what we have to write? R equal to 6H. Now if you substitute, right, V equal to pi by 3, right, 36 H cube, H square into H. Now this is 12. Now that is equal to 12, V equal to 12 pi H cube. V equal to 12 pi H cube. dV by dt equal to 36 pi H square dH by dt, differentiating with respect to t. Now that is equal to 36 pi H square. Here H value they given. What is the H value? 4 means 16. And dV by dt also given. dV by dt is what? 12. This is 12 into dH by dt. From this one you will get dH by dt. Right. This is 12. This is 3. 1 dH by dt is what? Right. 1 by 48 pi. Units centimeter per second. Right. Okay, no? $17 units are produced. We know that marginal cost is what? Rate of change of total cost with respect to the outputs. With respect to outputs, output is what? X value. Okay, no? Now, given C of X, simple problem only, but in terms of cost and marginal cost, they are asking. C of X equal to 0.007 X cube minus 0.003 X square plus 15X plus 4000. Find the marginal cost. Marginal cost is what? Rate of change of total cost with respect to the output. Means differentiating with respect to X. dC by dx equal to 0.003. Differentiation of this one is 3x square. 0.003. Differentiation of this one is 2x plus what? 15. Now here x equal to what they given? 17. Substitute and you will get the answer. Okay, no? Right. Units of a product is given by one relation given marginal revenue. Here also. What the answer? Right. Marginal, here also marginal revenue is what? Rate of change of total revenue with respect to what? Number of items sold. Okay, no? Right. So this is some problems on rate measure. Some means different problems we discussed. So tomorrow also we will continue this one. Okay, no? Thank you.